Welcome to our channel, Crown Media Plus. From the toolbox on the left side of the screen, select the fourth tool down. This is the crop tool. Left-click and drag the crop frame. You can enlarge or reduce the cropping area by dragging the cropping handles. The crop tool is located in the toolbox, on the crop tool flyout. To crop objects, you define a rectangular area, cropping area, that you want to keep. Portions of the graphic outside the cropping area will be removed. You can specify the exact position and size of the cropping area, and you can rotate and resize it. The crop and eraser tools. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use CorelDraw's crop and eraser tools to quickly remove areas of objects, images, or entire designs. The crop tool removes the part of an image surrounding the selection. Crop to remove distractive background elements and create a focus on your desired object in the image. When you crop an image, by default, the resolution remains the same as the original image. Thanks for watching out and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you next time.